Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today we're going to make this delicious roast chicken. For this recipe, we'll need a 1/4 cup of butter, some poultry seasoning if you need some, we made some in a previous video, and a 4 to 5 pound chicken. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 450 degrees. Then we'll go ahead and dry the chicken with paper towels. I do not recommend rinsing a chicken. You'll get bacteria everywhere, but just go ahead and dry it as best you can inside and out. If your chicken has giblets, remember to remove those. Once we patted our chicken dry, we're going to go ahead and separate the skin from the body of the chicken so we can season it more thoroughly. Once we've separated the skin from the body of the chicken, we're going to generously apply some poultry seasoning on the inside. And rub that in. After seasoning underneath the skin, we're going to take about 4 to 5 pats of butter that we've already sliced and place those under the skin. After we've seasoned the insides of the chicken, we're going to secure the skin in place using a toothpick. Then we'll season the outside using poultry seasoning. I generally just get the breast, wings, and drumsticks. I don't worry about the back of the chicken because there's not much edible meat there. And once we've seasoned the chicken, we'll put it in a roasting pan. And add the remaining pats of butter. At this point, we would normally truss our chicken, but I'm out of kitchen twine, so I'm just going to toothpick the legs and wings to the side of the chicken. Once trussed or toothpicked, we'll go ahead and put the chicken into the oven and reduce heat to 400. We'll let this cook for approximately 15 minutes per pound. For my chicken, I'm going to let this go 1 hour and 10 minutes. The chicken's been roasting for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. So we're going to remove it from the oven. And then we'll baste it in its own juices. We'll also go ahead and remove the toothpicks. And we're left with a nice, gorgeous roast chicken that's ready to be carved. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.